Jai Hind student, welcome to you all in SRPS online class 10th for computer science. As I discussed yesterday that we will start first chapter, first unit, networking, and first chapter name is internet. So first of all, we need to know what this chapter contains, what we have to study in these chapters. So we will study about internet, about history of the internet, about working of the internet, what are the advantages and disadvantages of the internet, who controls the internet, and what are the world wide web, what is internet technologies, and what are the internet protocols and remote logging. So that's the thing which I have to study in this chapter. So first of all, we need to know that what are the roles of internet, what are the importance of the internet. So you all know that we are living in the age of information technologies, and this computer have become one of the integral part of everyone's life. So that's why we have already studied about the communication system and network in our previous class, and we are aware that it is the interconnectivity of the computer system which has made it possible to share any type of information among the network computer irrespective of the distance and platform. So we need to know that, first of all, we need to know that what is internet. So the internet is a global system of interconnected computer network that uses the internet protocol suite, that is TCP/IP, to communicate between networks and devices. It is a network of networks that consists of private, public, academic, business and government network of local to global scope. Okay, so you can say that in other language it is one of the global network of numerous computers and computer networks which connect billions of computers to exchange information with each other. So this is the definition of internet. What are the facilities of internet? That is the facilities of the internet is emailing, chatting, video conferencing, online shopping, e-learning, blogging, communication, education, entertainment and research. And there are lots of facilities which of internet. So next topic is what are the history of the internet. What are the history of the internet? Okay, so you know that internet is a also network of networks. The development of the network has started in 1969 by an agency sponsored by the US Department of Defense called ARPA, Advanced Research Project Agency, and the first successful network that was established by this agency was called ARPANET, that is Advanced Research Project Agency. So ARPANET initially connected 4 major computers at university in southwestern US. Okay, and the first successful network that was established by this agency was called ARPANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. This network was established to connect different universities with the US Department of Defense. Later, many people started using this network for sharing data and message on it. The US military separated its network from ARPANET in 1983 and named it as MILNET, Military Network. Another high capacity network called NSFNet, National Science Foundation Network, was started in 1986 by the federal agency named National Science Foundation, which was more capable and faster than ARPANET and other smaller network of various universities, which resulted into the birth of present internet. Okay, so these are the history of the internet. And modern internet is in 1991 Tim Berners-Lee developed the concept of World Wide Web WWW, which resulted into the popularization of internet among the common. So these are the history of the internet, and next we will discuss what are the working of the internet, what are the working of the internet. Okay, so internet is a huge network of computers spread across the world to exchange information with each other. These systems are not connected directly to each other, but they are the part of the some smaller networks. Such smaller networks are further connected to the form of larger network. These larger networks are then connected with the backbone of the internet through gateway. Okay, so these are the working of the internet. And next topic is, what is gateway? Gateway what is gateway? So gateway, it is a special network device which helps to connect the dissimilar networks with the internet backbone. Internet works on the client server architecture of the system called client network model. Okay. So what are the client network? Next topic is client network model. Internet works on the client server architecture of the system called client network model. And what are the clients? So it is a typical clients are the typical web users internet connected devices. For example, your computer connected to your mobile network, and web accessing software available on those devices, usually a web browser like Mozilla Firefox or Google Chrome. So these are the web browser which works as a client web browser. Microsoft other clients are Internet Explorer and Safari, Netscape, Opera Mini. So these are the web browsers which works as a client. And next topic is servers. Servers are computers that stores web pages, website or programs. Okay, when a client wants to access a web page, a copy of a web page is downloaded from the server onto the client machine to be displayed in the user's web browser. So these are the topics which I have studied today. So in our next video we will discuss about what are the advantages and disadvantages of the internet. Okay, thank you so much.